Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. OnePlus has announced two new devices in their Nord family, and it is going to be OnePlus Nord N10 5G and the other one is OnePlus Nord N100. Both of these devices are going to be a mid-range category devices, and both are coming with a fairly mid-range category processor inside them. Both are coming with an LCD panel on the front, and obviously they are going to be a little bit cheaper than the previous generations of OnePlus devices. Anyhow, talking about the OnePlus Nord N10 5G, it's coming with a 6.49 inch of 1080p resolution with an LCD panel on the front, and it is coming with a 90 Hz of refresh rate as well. Its design from the front is pretty much similar to the OnePlus 8, a single punch hole camera cutout present on the left corner of the device. And since the OnePlus Nord is coming with the 32 megapixel camera sensor, this time around the OnePlus Nord N10 5G is coming only with a 16 megapixel of a selfie camera. And just because of having an LCD panel on the front of the device, we are not going to see any kind of fingerprint scanner on the front. Rather than that, we are going to see it on the back side of the device. The back is coming with a quad camera setup with the main camera sensor of 64 megapixel. And honestly, I think that is a good move from OnePlus, because a 64 megapixel will give you a much better quality of images. The rest of the sensor are pretty much basics. We are going to see an ultra wide camera, a macro camera, and a depth sensor, which I personally think that are of no use. Maybe we see a 5 megapixel or a 2 megapixel camera sensors in terms of macro and depth camera. Anyhow, the internals are going to be pretty much basic. We are going to see a Snapdragon 690 chipset inside both the devices, and it's going to be pretty much similar with the Snapdragon 765G chipset, but in terms of GPU they are going to be on lower side. Other details include a 4300 milliamp of a battery capacity with a 6 gigs of RAM inside, and along with that it is coming with a Rapid Charge 30T inside with a no wireless charging support in this particular device. The OnePlus Nord 10 5G is going to be coming with a price tag of fairly 350 euros in European market and 330 pounds in UK, whereas the OnePlus Nord N100 is going to be coming with a fairly basic amount of specifications inside, because it is going to be a cheaper device than the OnePlus N10 5G. One of the things which is missing inside the Nord N100 is going to be no 5G support, a basic 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage, a Snapdragon 460 chipset, a 6.52 inch of LCD panel with a 60 Hz of refresh rate, and along with that it is going to be coming with a 5000 milliamp of a battery and 18 watt of charging. Design wise, it is going to be pretty much similar with the OnePlus Nord N10. It's coming with 13 megapixel of a basic camera sensor on the back side, with the other two cameras are going to be a depth sensor and a macro shooter. Both the devices are coming with Android 10 with Oxygen OS 10.5 inside, and the phones are coming to Europe earlier next month, and also they are going to be launching in the US pretty much soon. So guys, what do you think about the upcoming OnePlus Nord devices? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are new here, do consider subscribing for more updates regarding the latest news. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.